This is my fourth iteration on the Doom level, and for this iteration I have changed, or I've added more player damage boosts to the world, and because of that I made it so that it's no longer says ×2 damage, because I didn't really want to write the damage values on every single one of these, and instead what I did was I just wrote damage boosts and then left these scattered around the world so that every single time the player would see that icon they would know that it's boosting their damage output. Now this one is a hidden damage boost, which you will only be able to get if you kill these two specters over here. Then there's, you have to kill them within a certain time frame in order to get that damage boost. Then there's a hidden one over here. And then there's another over here, which is still kind of hidden because if you see from here it's pretty out of the main focus point of the player and it's a little dark to see. And then the final one is over here. Now I rearranged the code for these damage values in order to make it so that I can basically scale up easily for the rest of the building of my level, since I wanted to extend my level and make more rooms for it. So here basically just every single time one player interacts with one of those switches, it just adds one value to the damage output, and then it will just iterate down these to see which one it will activate. And I also did a similar system for bosses, so that basically the quicker you kill the bosses, or if you kill the bosses within a certain time frame, it will make the game overall harder. All the enemies will be doing more damage to you, which I think is not too much of a problem because of the simple fact that you'll be having a stronger damage output as well as you move on in the level. So it kind of scales both of them, and it makes for more of a fast-paced gameplay where even though you're killing enemies faster, they still can kill you almost just as fast. So you need to be very careful and be able to move around effectively. And that is it for this iteration.